Somebody asked, so I just signed up and I have to take an exam. Yes. So I believe that IC2 Squared, they have a course. All right. And I believe the course is free if it's still free. They have a course that you can take that breaks down what's going to be on the test. You go to that course, you study for it. If it's still free, hopefully it's still free. They were saying it was a value of $199, $199. But even if it costs $199, it's worth you investing in yourself. It's worth the risk. Anyway, if it's still free, because just last week it was free, go through the course that I believe is on Coursera. It's either on Coursera or it's on their website. Okay, sign up for their website. They'll give you a breakdown of everything you need to do. And then from there, you would take the test. Like once you study for it, you take the test. No, they're paying for it once you finish the course. There you go. Okay, thank you for that, Daya. It says, no, they're going to pay for it once you take the course and there's only 1 million openings. Okay, there you go. Okay, I stand corrected. Let me correct myself. So what he's saying is it has actually free like a week ago or something. I'm telling you. So now you're gonna have to take the course, and then once you take the course, I think it was $199. Then you'll take the test, pass it, get your certification. So let me see. You have to take a test. Yes, there's hurdles. You have to take the test to get the certification. But if you are serious about this, it's worth your time.